Hi, I have an order here, very small box from North Shore Soap, and I just wanted to share with you my opinions on the fragrances. First impressions, I say. They always send you like a little gift or something, or usually seed cards, so you can plant this and get flowers. So I usually just give them to my husband, so I guess he does the planting. Looks like there's something else this time though. Ooh, nice. Synergy Mica powder. This is one of my favorites. You get a really nice teal color with this. And these cards are always funny. Haha, I wish. Good. Nice. Now, this is mint chocolate. I placed this order because these fragrances are going out of stock, so they are 40% off, and I want to make a Valentine's soap with this. It smells really good. It smells just like that you know, that chocolate minty candy that they give you at some restaurants, or you can buy. It smells just like that. Seventh Heaven. This was the fragrance of the week last week, and it's supposed to smell like lime and citrusy. It does smell like lime with some like woodsy notes. It smells good. I look forward to trying it. Red wine. Now I bought this one because it doesn't cause discoloration, and I've never had a wine fragrance that didn't discolor the soap to like a really dark brown. This is interesting. I suppose it does smell like wine. I'm not much of a wine drinker. It's not overly the other two wine fragrances that I have tried have smelled a lot like grapes, very sweet. This is not that. You can actually, it smells more like wine. It also has this like I guess alcohol notes to it. This thin to try some piping. And I'm also gonna try their new red mica. That's it. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye.